guys, Andy with Legacy, and John, of course. You all remember and know John.
Hey guys.
We're just here talking about what we did with our weekend. So John, what did you do this weekend?
Well, my wife informed me we're going to have a big 4th of July party with her in-laws, and we needed some more chairs. We started looking at them. They're expensive.
Yeah.
So we decided, let's just make one. So I drew it up, designed it, and made a prototype. It's all out of plywood, and honestly, I wasn't sure if I'd like it, but it's pretty phenomenal, to be honest with you.
I've sat in it. It's really comfortable and handles my 200 pounds.
There you go. Everybody in the shop sat in it now, and so far it's held up, so I think we're in good shape.
Yeah.
Now, the coolest part about this chair, built-in plywood, is that with 3 sheets of plywood, I can make 18 or 16 chairs. 16 chairs.
16 chairs.
Yeah.
So 3 sheets of plywood, you got 3/4 and half.
Yep.
Budget under 200 bucks then.
Oh yeah, 180 bucks out the door.
So, and that you're looking at what? With hardware, nuts and bolts and screws, what are you into each chair?
Yeah, about $15 max. I'm on the high end.
15 bucks. You can't buy that at Walmart or Amazon.
No.
Not in this kind of quality. And out of that plywood, boy, put a nice finish on that. Put them and get them out of the rain. But boy, that'll be really nice for a party on the deck or out in the backyard. Yeah, I like it. Great project.
You ought to last for a long time.
Are you going to turn this into one of our, our training projects? Or is this going to be something that people could, come and build, or that we'll have video for? What are you going to do with that?
I'm going to start by doing kind of a step-by-step, like we did the rocking chair.
Right,
like an overview, yeah. Mm-hmm. And then after that, I would love to have everybody come out and build one of these. I don't think it'll take 2 days, probably only one.
Yeah.
It'd be a really fun project.
It'd be a fun one-day project. Boy, if I was coming out for training, and I stayed on an extra Saturday, would you let me make some chairs?
I think that's actually a great idea.
Yeah.
If we laid it out based on our training days.
Yeah, if I came Thursday, Friday, and I stayed Saturday and went home with 16 chairs, ready to assemble, that would be great. Pretty fun weekend.
It'd be pretty wild, too.
Yeah.